Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Nissan Murano and I will show you the starter fuse. So in case your vehicle is not starting and you suspect a failed starter, make sure to check the fuse before you replace it and spend money for nothing. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Starter fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, right here on the driver's side. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top, so you want to just press it and lift up. Okay. On the back side there is a small fuse diagram and you have here all the fuses and the relays. And the starter fuse is located right here. It's a 10 amp red fuse, so second fuse from the top. Now in case this fuse is good, the next thing to do, you want to check the wiring towards the starter, check the electrical connections, check the grounds, and then in the end test and replace starter if necessary, because that's actually quite common issue on most vehicles. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to the channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car repairs, tutorials and other similar automotive topics.